What's up, everybody? Today we're going to a really exclusive car meet. It's going to be VIPs only, and it's also our first event that we get specially invited. It's not open to the public, it's classified. I feel like we should be wearing some suits because there's going to be some really important people apparently.
It seems like it's going to be a lot of crazy cars, a lot of car companies, sponsors and stuff. We'll see what happens. It looks like it's going to be a great vibe with great people and beautiful cars, so we're ready for it. And we are about to head over there right now.
We cannot wait to be there again and see what nice inventory they have because they're always changing it up. Well, anyways, let's get over there and we'll start recording some cars.
Oh, this is fucking sick.
This looks better than I expected. Screw Coachella, bro. This is way better.
Yeah, it's better than Coachella, bro. Coachella who?
Coachella who? EDC who? This is high-end entertainment right here.
Back, bro. Beautiful cars, free drinks, beautiful women.
The gold wings. Seagull wings.
Look at the door right there, bro.
There's no way. Is that the door handle? Bruh, that's like right in the middle of the body.
Yeah, that is the
I
door
never saw
handle.
that shit. Whoa, that's crazy.
Yeah. So I guess if you press one of those buttons, it goes back in and shit. It's too sexy, bro. I'm too rough.
The AMGC. Just the R8 parked in the street. A G-Wagon. Just a regular Friday.
Yeah, we're the Corvette now, bro.
Just take a look at that.
It's just crazy, bro. I'm not surprised Jeff Bezos and Elon Musk are not in this shit, bro.
They're probably gonna show up, you know. They check to make sure you had a ticket. They patted you down, they check your bags, they make you take off your shoes, they look inside of your... The way the tire fitment in the front is, that's how my Corvette looks. That's how it should look.
Alright, so I'm gonna sit right here and act like I own this place. You know, I'm already in the party, so I'm just gonna act like I'm the boss.
Your party, this is your party.
Yeah.
I'm gonna start telling the people coming in, hey, make sure we grab some drinks, everything's in the house. It's me.
I know, enjoy the party.
Damn, Porsche Carrera GT?
It's smash or pass.
Yeah, we're probably not gonna be able to record anything with the music on.
Yeah.
So we'll just record the cars and just enjoy this car.
It's on B-rolls.
Oh yeah, we'll probably scrap this video. Alright, this is the car that really blows my mind. I was never expecting to see a Carrera GT when I woke up this morning. Definitely was not expecting that shit. Look at that, that thing is cool. I literally cannot see anybody driving this in the street. Like, that's how exclusive this car looks.
And then when you do all those highs and save a lot of money, you do all those highs and you save a lot of money, and then when you do all those highs and you save a lot of money, and then you're able to buy and afford all the cars you want, and this is how they look.
This is how it would look
Yeah.
if you had unlimited money on GTA to buy whatever you want.
Yeah, facts.
So many McLarens here today.
Yeah, it's a bunch of McLarens. Lambos and McLarens in majority. Look at this color, bro. This color.
It is a very interesting color.
I wonder if you can move the seat forward. You think you can move the seat forward? No, I don't think so. Like,
So I think these are set
yeah, like set seats.
for the driver. They probably have you, when you buy one of these, they probably have you go in, get some measurements done, and they build the seats and mount them according to you.
Same to the other side?
Yes.
It's 20R, bro. This is crazy, bro. The seats are basically dry carbon fiber. And there's only like a little bit of padding where you see it where your back and your head goes. That's just crazy.
And it's got the ball sack cooler right there too. A little space for the ball sacks because you gotta have big ass balls to be driving this car and pushing it to the limits. Because this shit is the bottom part of the car.
Oh, it's this fucking dragging and shit,
So it's
right?
always dragging. If you scrape, oh, that's crazy. So if you scrape this car, you're literally scraping the bottom of your door. That is freaking wild. Never saw it that way. And this. I never thought I was gonna see a Bugatti Chiron in my life, or a Countach, a new Countach. This is more than I deserve. Should we take him real quick for the Corvette?
That's like 50K right there.
This is more than I make a year.
50K plus tax.
I have a feeling they're gonna go in this car, but My goodness, nothing special, just a Bugatti next to just a random Lambo.
Countach. I don't even know if they're real.
Jesus Christ! Everything's so rare. Everything that's here is just amuses me. Right here we have one of my all-time dream cars, 96 JDM spec Acura, Honda Integra. This is the model that I would want to buy, the one without all the extra stuff, the thinner glass, no rear wiper, no airbags, and just an overall plain and simple interior. This is my favorite year, and this is my favorite car of the whole meet, honestly.
This is so simple but so sexy.
Yeah, very simple, and it's the SIR, which is even rare to see a SIR. I didn't even know about the existence of the SIR super recently, but it's pretty cool to see one and to see a built one. So it's pretty much got the same transmission as the Type R. It's the SIR, which is the European or Australian Type R. A little bit more detuned, but it's still even rare to see them. This one's got some nice custom wheels too. Nice custom wheels, dude. Match the.
That's so weird, bro.
This is a center lock. This whole video is gonna be out of focus, but I don't care. I have an excuse. We've been drinking.
We're getting super lit. What is he doing, my man? Yep, what's up?
When we make it big, this is one of the cars that I want to buy.
This one right here?
No, Integra. Integra, a white NSX or a white R32.
Imagine having that 3 combo.
Yeah, imagine having NSX right here, Integra, GTR. That would be my garage right there. And then on the other side of the garage, I'll have all the muscle cars, all the classics you already know.
The fitment on this thing is insane. So thick, so delicious, so aggressive, so intense. The party's still going, but I think it's gonna conclude tonight because we're about to get more lit.
Yes, sir.
Hey.
This one's not as loud as the other one. But it sure as hell looks nice. Ah, smells good.